And for who?
First which, I myself have all the other. And the very ports they blow, all the quarters that they know. In the shipman's cod, I will drain him dry as hay. Though his bark cannot be lost, it shall be tempest tossed.
At the mean?
What?
English. Okay, got it. How may I help you?
I don't know. Where am I? What? Who are you?
My name is Haha. And what may I ask is your name? Yes? Name?
Oh, Angry. Henry. Angry.
Angry.
Where are we?
Zip! Ah, here you are. Okay, sir, follow me.
Yes.
Okay. Now, unfortunately, many girls like yourself have failed to follow rule number 3, which...
It's the choice one must make between life and death.
See it as a price to pay for your loved ones. The fun part is you get to kill someone. Anyone.
A stranger, a friend.
Doesn't matter, I don't care. It's your call. You are in charge.
You know one thing I wish I knew when I was your age?
What?
Well, a lot of things. But one is that meanness is never a sign of power or strength. Bullies have to be told, I'm not gonna listen to you. You're not even here. Goodbye. See ya. Yes. I like a sword. Take it. You let me take it. I thought you were going to trick me. The trick is speaking up.